Ooh, which way do I go? I think I go this way. Farmers in the back lots, like plowing their fields. Yeah, you know, and those big beautiful mansions from the old days when farming was the big exporter from this area, and right next to it will be a tiny little single wide trailer proudly displaying its American flag. You know, I mean, no judgment, nobody cares. It's just the real America. You know, this is people country. You know, it's not like the little microcosms of the major cities. It's out where the real Americans live. We've been going down these dirt roads and the backcountry roads, going over streams and fields, and seen hawks diving and grabbing grasshoppers and just all kinds of stuff. It's been absolutely amazing. Another cute church. Look at that. Really neat to kind of see a different part of America. You know, when you're hurtling down the highway and all you see is neon signs and gas stations and restaurants. It's really nice to see a little more about what America's really about. Not just the big box of stores. Look at that beautiful home. Another gorgeous one over here. Fields ready to be planted. Looks like some chicken coops up there. It's been awesome, and it's been a gorgeous day. Everybody has these gorgeous little fences and flowers and gardens, and obviously take great pride in their houses and their homes. Take good care of them. Anyway, been a beautiful day for riding. Couldn't have asked for anything better. This is cool.